Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to manage Canva folders like a pro step by step in 2026. If you use Canva regularly, your designs can quickly become messy. Too many files, too many pages, and no clear system. That's why mastering Canva folders is essential for staying organized and saving time. Let's start from the beginning. First, log into your Canva account. From the home page, click on Projects in the left sidebar. This is where all your designs, folders, images, and templates are stored. Now, to create a new folder, look for the Add New or Create Folder option. Click it and give your folder a clear, meaningful name. For example, client name, project name, or content type like social media, ads, or presentations. Once the folder is created, open it. You can now start adding designs inside. To move designs into a folder, go back to your main projects view. Hover over any design, click the three dots, and select Move to Folder. Then choose the folder you want and confirm. This simple step instantly cleans up your workspace. Next, let's talk about folder structure. Professionals always use a system. For example, one main folder for each client and subfolders for thumbnails, ads, reels, and presentations. This makes everything easy to find later. Now, if you work with a team, folders become even more powerful. Open a folder, click on Share, and add team members. You can control who can edit and who can only view the designs. This prevents accidental changes. Another pro tip is using folders for templates. Create a folder only for reusable templates. Lock important elements in your designs so others don't break the layout. You can also drag and drop designs directly into folders. Just click, drag, and drop. It's fast and efficient. If your folder list becomes long, don't worry. Use Canva's search bar to quickly find folders or designs by name. Finally, review your folders regularly. Delete old files, rename unclear folders, and keep everything up to date. This habit alone will save you hours in the long run. And that's how to manage Canva folders like a pro, step by step in 2026. If this video helped you, like the video, subscribe for more Canva tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.